Today we're unboxing Carmen Sandiego Doll, made by TLS Toys and the Loyal Subjects. Recommended for ages 3 and up, and batteries are included for this doll because it plays the theme song from the Carmen Sandiego Netflix series. It includes a secret map and mystery treasure. Here is a look at the back of the box. It shows us there's 12 accessories, 1 secret map, and 1 mystery treasure, and 1 mystery sticker. So let's get Carmen out of the box. So everything is out of the box. Here we have our instructions. Then we have our checklist here of the 5 treasures we could possibly get. And if you open it up, it's our hidden map. And the outside of it looks like kind of like a passport. She comes with this red comb, and the top half of it is like a globe. She has this black feathered headpiece. She comes with these high heels that you can switch out with her current black boots. She has this pair of binoculars with a handle on the side, and they bend like this. So Carmen can hold them and look inside. Then we have the iconic red hat here with the black trim around it. And here it is on Carmen. Then we have our little mystery sticker here. It says Global Explorer, and it has a picture of Carmen Sandiego on it. She wears these gold stud earrings. They are painted on. Then of course we have her iconic red trench coat, which velcros in the front. And it is removable. Her coat is like this nice cloth material, and I like how you can like bend it to make it look like it's a windy day or something and it's blowing. Very posable. I love the cloth material, it's very nice. We have her black jumpsuit with the gold at the collar here, and it velcros in the back. Her head can turn. Her arms can go back and forth, out to the side. She can bend at the elbow, and she has movement at the wrist. Her leg can go back and forward. Her knee can bend. She also can twist at the ankle. Here she is with her high heels on. Her stand is red, and the base of it looks like a globe. And then there's this button here that will play the theme song. You just have to remove this first. And the button here will play the theme song. So if you put the magnifying glass that we have here, and it says Carmen Sandiego on the bottom, up to the map, it kind of like reveals things. And finally, we have the mystery treasure. So let's see what's inside our vault here. Here we have the nesting doll. It does not open. On the checklist, it says ultra rare. I think this is a really cool doll. And I like how the stand plays the song rather than the doll, and there's not some button in the back of the doll or batteries you have to worry about inside the doll. It's in the stand. Bye. Subscribe for more videos.